Hello there, my name is Anthony Burokas with Stream for Us. Today I want to talk to you a little bit about using StreamYard for doing all remote production. Today I'm using StreamYard and I'm using it to do a production that is several hours long involving people from around the country, even internationally, and it's all remote. And StreamYard is great for this because it is in the cloud. And I'm going to show you a couple things that really make this thing work. All right, we are in between sessions here. I'm playing videos. We have our host, and then we have 5 panelists plus a producer. So we've got 8 connections into this thing, as well as we're able to have a private chat going on over here. And I'm doing video playback from a separate device because StreamYard only supports 5 minutes videos built in. Hopefully that'll change in the future, but not. But what this is nice is you don't need a high-end machine to be able to handle this many inputs because this is all happening in the cloud. They're dialing into StreamYard and I'm just controlling a web interface, but the actual processing for everything happens in the cloud. And I think this is a key thing that is often understated is the fact that a lot of video production requires specialized hardware, and usually that hardware is very expensive. You know, if you're using a software-based tool like OBS or vMix or MimioLive or anything like that, you need a decent-sized computer, you know, and that could be $1,000, $2,000, $5,000 to get it fully outfitted with all of the input-output you need to handle all of the things that it needs to do, plus the processing, the video card, and everything. It can add up, plus the cost of the software. Here, we're able to leverage online software, software as a service, as they say, and it has a low monthly cost, so you pay for it when you need it. Plus, I can access it with anything that has a browser. I don't need to have a high-end PC or Macintosh to be able to process all of these signals. That's all happening in the cloud. So I just need a basic machine and a basic browser to click the buttons and bring up the source that I need to bring up. Now, I am using a video playing software to play the video in here because of the 5-minute limit, but even that is not super duper intensive either. You could use VLC or some other tools, or even put the video in a Google Chrome tab and then bring that tab into the StreamYard via a screen share that grabs that tab and brings it in with the audio. So there is that way to do it as well, and you're literally only in one application for the whole thing. So that is of a great value, or I should say of a great cost savings for people who need to do higher end remotes. Now it looks better than Zoom, it looks better than Teams, it looks better than business meeting apps, but realistically you're not getting full customization. You can't control everything. You have like lower third banners, but they either look, you know, all color banner or all text over gray banner. You have like no other option unless you're going to bring them in as custom elements over top. And some people have done that with animated GIFs. So StreamYard allows me to have all of these inputs down here and allows me to handle that with a basic, like now I'm on a Mac, a basic machine. It's not an i7 with a honking big GPU. I didn't spend $10,000 for the new Mac Pro. This is a Mac Mini, and it's doing a fine job. I've got the processor up here looking at it, and two of the cores are working, and the other 2 cores are not working that hard. So it's still within the realm of an i5 Mac Mini able to do this high-end production. And that is one of the benefits of pushing your production to the cloud. In addition to StreamYard, Restream also offers a similar service. And I know that that is just going to grow because in this era, in this age, a lot of things are virtual, and these virtual solutions have really taken off and enabled content producers to handle things that they couldn't have handled before and handle them with an ease of production and an ease of integration that normally would have taken a whole lot more to be able to put together, but yet we're able to do it simply, cheaply, quickly, and handle things on the fly. Like all of a sudden somebody says, "Oh, I have slides." No problem, share your screen, and I can get it and bring it on and change the views. That's the magic of these cloud solutions, in that they're very flexible, very adaptable, and they enable us as producers to focus on just making sure the show looks good and not dealing with all the technical issues of like, oh, well, I need a certain layout to handle the PowerPoint slides from this person versus that person. Don't worry about it. it's just part of the engine that's built in. So I hope that this has helped someone out there who is, sort of in a corner and looking for a solution that can help them bring together a remote production under a really tight budget, but still able to handle a lot of things. My name is Anthony Burokas for Stream for Us. Thanks for watching.